Is your kitchen feeling more like a battleground than a sanctuary? Dive into this list of 15 remarkable gadgets that promise to turn chaos into culinary creativity. Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. 15 awesome kitchen gadgets on Amazon to improve your cooking skills. Let's go. Aroma Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser. The Aroma Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser redefines hygiene with its smart, hands-free design. Its responsive sensor detects hands within 3 inches and dispenses soap in just 0.2 seconds, ensuring quick and clean hand washing. With 3 adjustable settings, it adapts perfectly to kitchens, bathrooms, and even professional spaces. A USB Type-C rechargeable battery offers up to 3 months of use on a single charge, making it eco-friendly and efficient. The pop-up lid simplifies refills, and its water-resistant design works flawlessly in wet environments. Compatible with liquid soaps and hand sanitizers, this dispenser is a sleek and reliable addition to any sink, combining functionality and modern design for ultimate convenience. OXO Paper Towel Holder. The OXO Paper Towel Holder brings practicality and style to your kitchen. Its spring-activated arm ensures effortless one-handed tearing while keeping the roll securely in place. The weighted stainless steel base provides stability, preventing tipping or sliding. Its brushed finish adds an elegant touch that complements any kitchen decor. Designed to accommodate any paper towel size or brand, it's as versatile as it is durable. Compact and freestanding, it measures 7x 13 inches, making it a perfect countertop addition. With its user-friendly features and reliable construction, this paper towel holder is a must-have for keeping your kitchen neat and organized. Easyy Active Collapsible Microwave Cover. The Easyy Active Collapsible Microwave Cover is a practical solution for splatter-free cooking. Measuring 10.5 inches in diameter, it fits most plates and bowls, keeping your microwave clean and your food evenly heated. Its 98 steam vents prevent soggy food, ensuring perfect results every time. Made from durable glass and silicone, it withstands temperatures up to 450 degrees and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The collapsible design saves space, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. With a transparent lid, you can monitor your food as it cooks. This versatile cover is an essential tool for maintaining a tidy kitchen while preparing delicious meals. Cool Night Herb Grinder. The Cool Night Herb Grinder offers fast, efficient grinding with a large 120 gauge capacity. Its sharp stainless steel blades deliver results in as little as 5 seconds, allowing control over the grind's coarseness through a simple one-button operation. Perfect for herbs, spices, and even coffee beans, this grinder's versatility makes it a kitchen essential. The safety design ensures operation only when the lid is secure, while its 30,000 RPM motor guarantees quick and consistent results. Easy to clean with a detachable power cord, it saves time and space. Durable and user-friendly, the Cool Night Grinder combines functionality with safety for everyday convenience. FRTONYI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. The FRTONYI Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set combines efficiency and style. Its rechargeable design uses Type-C fast charging, providing daily grinding needs with just a 5-minute charge. One-handed automatic operation adds convenience, while a 5-level adjustable coarseness knob ensures spices are ground to your preference. The 70 ml see-through container minimizes refills and keeps spices fresh, while a built-in LED light prevents over-seasoning. Ideal for a variety of spices, this set includes 2 color-coded grinders for easy distinction. Durable and eco-friendly, it's perfect for home chefs who value convenience and precision. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Mueller Pro Vegetable Chopper. The Mueller Pro Vegetable Chopper is a game-changer for kitchen efficiency. Trusted by chefs since 2013, this durable tool simplifies meal prep by chopping, slicing, and dicing with precision. Equipped with 8 rust-resistant blades, it offers versatile options for grating, shredding, and julienning. Its compact design includes a convenient food holder and container to reduce mess and ensure safe handling of small ingredients. Perfect for busy cooks, this chopper cuts prep time in half, encouraging healthier meals without the hassle. Easy to dismantle and dishwasher-friendly, it's a low-maintenance solution for daily use. Whether you're crafting a quick salad or prepping ingredients for dinner, the Mueller Pro Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. Strata cups, camera lens, coffee mug. The Strata cups, camera lens, coffee mug is a perfect blend of practicality and fun. Designed as a replica of a camera lens, it's a guaranteed conversation starter for photography lovers. This 13.5 oz mug features a stainless steel interior, keeping beverages hot or cold for extended periods. It includes 2 secure lids, a retractable sipper lid and a stylish camera lens lid, plus a stainless steel spoon for added convenience. Beyond coffee, it's versatile enough for cold drinks, smoothies, or even as a quirky desk accessory. Durable and portable, it's perfect for home, office, or on-the-go use. With a playful design and thoughtful features, this mug combines novelty with functionality, making it an excellent gift or personal treat. Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer. The Purriko Refrigerator Deodorizer keeps your fridge fresh with advanced catalytic decomposition technology. Unlike baking soda or activated carbon, it eliminates odors at the source, ensuring long-lasting freshness without power or chemicals. Made from SUS 304 stainless steel, it's stylish, durable, and compact enough for small spaces like drawers or gym bags. Its 10-year lifespan makes it an eco-friendly alternative, reducing waste while saving you money. This fragrance-free, maintenance-free solution also helps extend the shelf life of your food. Whether as a thoughtful gift or a personal upgrade, the Purriko Deodorizer is a simple yet effective way to enhance your kitchen's hygiene and freshness. Fruit and Vegetable Washing Machine. The FRTONYI fruit and vegetable washing machine ensures spotless produce with cutting-edge electrolysis technology. Using OH ions, it effectively removes dirt, pesticides, and residues from fruits, vegetables, seafood, and more. Compact and portable, it's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, saving time while promoting healthier eating. The device boosts food freshness by preserving nutrients and extending shelf life, making your produce taste better for longer. Simple to operate, it features a one-button system and auto shut-off for user convenience. With its IPX7 waterproof rating and 2-year warranty, this washing machine is reliable, energy efficient, and built to last. Elevate your food hygiene with this easy-to-use, innovative kitchen tool. Clarifion Air Ionizers for Home. The Clarifion Air Ionizer offers a compact, hassle-free solution for cleaner air. Simply plug it into any outlet to enjoy the benefits of negative ion technology, which targets allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander. With no filters to replace, it's a cost-effective alternative to bulky air purifiers. Perfect for every room, from bedrooms to kitchens, this lightweight device is portable and easy to use. Its minimalist design blends seamlessly into any space while working silently to improve air quality. Whether at home or on the go, the Clarifion Ionizer provides a fresh, allergen-reduced environment with minimal effort. Blue GINKGO Strainer Basket. The Blue GINKGO Strainer Basket is a multitasking kitchen essential that's as versatile as it is practical. Designed to stretch over your sink, it's perfect for rinsing fruits, draining pasta, or air-drying utensils. The adjustable size, 14-19 inches, ensures it fits most sinks, and its elevated base prevents backflow from sink water. Thoughtfully engineered, it features evenly spaced holes that keep food intact while enhancing airflow for drying. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant plastic, this basket is safe, sturdy, and built to last. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. While the holes may not work for small grains like quinoa, this strainer's practicality and modern design make it a must-have for busy kitchens. Lazy Susan Revolution Food Turntable. The Lazy Susan Revolution elevates your dining experience with its innovative, expandable design. Perfect for family gatherings or parties, it rotates smoothly, allowing guests to access dishes effortlessly. This turntable is heat-resistant and features a non-slip silicone tray, keeping items secure and making cleanup a breeze. Expandable with additional trays, it adapts to any table size, ensuring everyone can enjoy the spread. Setup is a snap, no tools required, and it disassembles quickly for easy storage. The durable design supports heavy dishes, while its thoughtful construction ensures long-term use. Whether for daily meals or festive occasions, this Lazy Susan is a game-changer that blends practicality with style. Warming mat for food. Keep your meals warm and ready with this versatile warming mat for food. Designed with flexible silicone nanomaterials and graphene technology, it provides even heating across its surface, making it ideal for heating dishes, thawing, and fermenting dough. Its compact design allows for easy storage, while the automatic shutoff feature ensures safety after 4 hours of use. Compatible with various materials like glass and stainless steel, this mat adapts to any kitchen setup. The intuitive 3-level temperature setting meets diverse needs, and its non-slip border prevents accidental burns. Perfect for large family gatherings or everyday use, this mat is a reliable companion for busy lifestyles. Love Moment Electric Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit. The Love Moment Electric Jar Vacuum Sealer Kit is the ultimate tool for preserving freshness in mason jars. It includes wide and standard mouth seals, making it versatile for all your vacuum sealing needs. The cordless, compact design eliminates the hassle of manual pumps. Simply press a button, and your jars are sealed in seconds. Equipped with reusable lids and a durable vacuum pump, it's perfect for extending food shelf life while keeping your workspace tidy. Its lightweight, portable build makes it travel-friendly for picnics or camping. Whether for storing dry goods, pickling, or keeping snacks fresh, this electric sealer is a game-changing addition to any kitchen. Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker is perfect for compact spaces, offering big convenience in a sleek, less than 5-inch wide design. Brew your ideal cup size, 6-12 oz, in minutes with fresh water added for each brew. The energy-efficient auto-off feature powers down after 90 seconds, saving energy while ensuring safety. Its removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs and simplifies cleanup. Designed for portability, the built-in cord storage keeps counters tidy and makes transport easy. While it lacks advanced features like temperature control or milk frothing, its simplicity and reliability shine. For quick, fresh coffee in tight spaces, the K-Mini is a practical and stylish choice. Tips for getting the best deals. Look for discounts. Check the Amazon product pages for apply coupon options, bundle and save. Some gadgets offer discounts when purchased in sets or bundles. Compare reviews. Make sure to read customer reviews to ensure you're getting the best value. Which of these amazing gadgets would you add to your kitchen? Share your favorite kitchen tools or must-have gadgets in the comments below. Don't wait. Click the links in our review to explore these incredible Amazon finds and transform your cooking routine today.